Let's face it, the more stuff you pack, the less space you have for comfort, movement, or sanity. So today I'm sharing 15 space-saving car hacks that help you pack less, drive more, and get the most out of every mile without sacrificing what matters. Let's get rolling. Smarter. 1. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Folding stacks bulk up fast. Rolling your clothes saves space, reduces wrinkles, and fits perfectly in soft bags or seatback pouches. 2. Ditch the suitcases. Use duffel bags and totes. Hard suitcases are space hogs. Instead, go for flexible duffel bags. They squeeze into tighter trunk corners and stack easier on top of one another. 3. Store shoes in plastic grocery bags inside the tire well. Need extra room? Wrap shoes in plastic bags and tuck them into your spare tire compartment, out of sight, but right there if needed. 4. Use packing cubes or zip bags to compress items. Use compression cubes or vacuum zip bags to shrink down clothing, towels, or blankets. They fit better, stay organized, and make mid-trip repacking a breeze. 5. Fill your cooler with food and gear. No ice yet? Use the space inside your cooler to store non-perishables or soft gear until you stock it. Why let that space go to waste? 6. Hang sunglasses and masks from the visor with binder clips. Don't toss them in the cup holder. Binder clips on your visor hold glasses, masks, even notes, and free up space elsewhere. 7. Use a tackle box for small travel essentials. Things like meds, batteries, matches, floss, and earplugs. Store them in a fishing tackle box, sorted, secure, and ultra-compact. 8. Store snacks in empty coffee canisters. Reuse plastic coffee cans or oatmeal tubs for storing snacks, trail mix, or dry goods. Stackable, sealable, and they don't get crushed like chip bags. 9. Mount a cargo net on the ceiling for soft items. Hang a cargo net from ceiling handles to hold pillows, blankets, or jackets, freeing up trunk and seat space below. 10. Use shower curtain rings on headrest rods for hanging bags. Snap shower rings onto your seat headrests and hang grocery bags, trash bags, or wet gear behind the seat instead of piling it up on the floor. 11. Use a belt to bundle multiple jackets or hoodies. Instead of tossing 5 hoodies around the car, roll and bundle them with a belt or strap. You'll save space and know exactly where to find them. 12th, repackage toiletries into travel containers or snack bags. Don't bring full-size bottles. Use travel containers or even small zip-top bags to pack only what you need, especially for things like lotion, shampoo, or sunscreen. 13th, turn one seat into a staging area. Designate a single rear seat for rotating gear, lunch bag, chargers, towels, jacket. Keeping it in one place keeps the rest of the car clear and clutter-free. 14. Use foldable storage bins in the trunk. Use collapsible bins or crates to store loose items, and fold them flat when empty. They're structured when you need them, and out of the way when you don't. 15. Pack a last in, first out grab bag. Keep a small overnight bag or quick access pouch near the door. If you're stopping at a hotel or campground, you won't need to unpack the whole trunk, just grab and go. There you have it. 15 road-tested packing hacks to help you save space, stay organized, and actually enjoy the ride. Because the less you wrestle with luggage, the more miles you can cover in comfort. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. What's your space-saving secret? Drop it in the comments. Like this video if you're all about packing light. Subscribe for more weekly road trip hacks, DIY car tips, and smart travel ideas. Until next time, pack smarter, drive farther, and never overstuff the trunk again.